Earning Injective Staking rewards is easy. In this video, we're going to learn how to stake Injective INJ in a few taps, but also how you can auto-restake your rewards to compound your earnings. Install your own Exodus wallet and click the link in the top right to download, or visit exodus.com. If you don't already have INJ, you can hit the receive button to view your Injective address and send INJ to your Exodus wallet from another wallet or exchange. Okay, let's get started and stake INJ on mobile or your computer. The steps are pretty much the same. In the mobile app, tap the profile icon. Then tap the staking tile and select Injective. Tap the stake button. Enter the amount you want to stake. Tap Stake INJ, and that's it. On the desktop app, click on the rewards icon at the top of the app. Select Injective. Enter the amount you want to stake, tap Stake INJ, and that's it. You'll start to earn rewards on your INJ as soon as you stake it. If you want to increase your rewards, toggle on Auto Restaking. With Auto Restaking, your wallet will automatically add your INJ rewards to your staked balance to compound the interest and increase your APY. If you'd rather keep Auto Restaking off, you can manually claim your Injective Staking rewards when you're ready by tapping Claim Reward. Your wallet will also claim your INJ rewards anytime you stake or unstake. Whatever amount you stake will be locked. You can only perform transactions like sending and swapping with an unstaked amount. To unlock your staked balance, hit the Unstake INJ button. Enter the amount and tap Unstake INJ. After the 21-day unstaking period, you'll be able to send and swap INJ. When you unstake your INJ, any unclaimed rewards will be auto-claimed. You can support the channel by giving this video a like and clicking any of these videos to watch more from Exodus.